I bought this motherboard 4 years ago and it never was able to use two RAM sticks in the same time. So this is why a pin is bent and it's one of the pins that it's handling the RAM memory. I didn't saw it until now. Now I cleaned up the motherboard because well this was used in my Plex server. So as you can see, I'm using a needle to try to straighten out the pin. It doesn't really work, so I'm using now two needles. You can see how small is the pin since the needles are super large in the screen. You have to be very careful, they are super fragile, and you have to stop once it's straightened back. It's a very tedious procedure. Don't mind the timestamp. I didn't change it from my digital microscope. So as you can see, it's almost in place. Everything should be working as fine. Now everything is perfect. So you should stop here when you have such a result. If you are trying to bend it a little more, as I did here, you will just break it because they are super fragile. You can see all the work was just wasted. The pin is now broken, and this motherboard will never use two RAM sticks again. Well, maybe I will try to change the socket in the future, but with this particular socket, unfortunately, this is the result. So every time you are trying to straighten one pin of the CPU back, just be careful to stop once the pin is straightened. Don't apply more pressure on it, or you will break it and you will lose the socket forever. You can try it at home, but you will need uh, at least a magnifying glass or a digital microscope, as I've used here. If it's a ground pin, there's no issue. If it's a power pin, there is also no issue. But as you can see here, this was a RAM